It's a 2014 Chevrolet Impala. Composed, confident, and capable in its design, this Impala always makes an entrance. The athletic and proud stance is impossible to ignore, and the spacious interior leaves room for everything. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: Bluetooth streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, driver and passenger front seat mounted and rear side impact airbags, OnStar remote link, manual tilting steering column, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, and V6 engine. Chicago Tribune writes, flip and fold rear seat cushions expose a stowage compartment large enough to hold a laptop computer or a slim purse. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.